Good morning po. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Downtown Tacloban Marketplace. Total marketplace listing is possible with total active of 177. Estimated inquiry po per day is nasa 10 persons po. This week inquiry is converted to sales is nasa 134,235 with 19 transactions. Sa top 3 naman po, isa doon is yung sa dry fit with DTF print po natin with 8 transactions. Next po is yung sa dry fit po na plain. Madalas po is white po yung nabibenta po talaga. Next po is yung sa sublimation po natin na polo shirt with 5 transactions po na na-close deal natin. Need po ma-revise ko is yung sa Cosmo Sports Jug Tumbler po natin. Yun lang naman po. Thank you.